What if I told you that the same brain that gets addicted to social media can get addicted to studying? Not because studying suddenly becomes fun, but because your brain doesn't care what it's addicted to. It only follows whatever gives it consistent rewards. So if you know how to rewire those rewards, studying stops feeling like a punishment and starts feeling like something you actually want to do. 1. Treat it like a game. Games are addictive because they give immediate feedback. Do the same with studying. Track chapters completed, questions solved, or hours focused. Every completed task is a small win that tells your brain, I'm making progress. 2. Use the just one more rule. Instead of stopping exactly when your timer ends, solve one more question. Read one more page. Watch one more lecture minute. Ending with a small success makes it easier to come back tomorrow. 3. Celebrate tiny wins. Most students only celebrate good grades. That's too late. Celebrate showing up. Celebrate finishing a session. Celebrate consistency. Your brain repeats behaviors that get rewarded. 4. Make studying ridiculously easy. Your environment decides your behavior more than your willpower. Keep your books open. Charge your phone in another room. Keep water on your desk. Remove everything that gives your brain an easier source of dopamine. The less resistance there is, the more likely you'll study. 5. Study at the same time every day. Habits remove decision-making. If you study every day at 6 p.m., eventually your brain starts expecting it. You won't rely on motivation anymore. It simply becomes part of your routine. 6. Make progress visible. Use a calendar, habit tracker, or checklist. Seeing a long streak makes you want to protect it. Humans hate breaking streaks more than they enjoy starting new ones. 7. Study with curiosity, not just pressure. Don't only ask, will this be in the exam? Ask, why does this work? Curiosity keeps your brain engaged far longer than fear ever will. Learning becomes more enjoyable when you're searching for answers instead of memorizing facts. 8. Become the kind of person who studies. Instead of saying, I have to study, say, I'm someone who studies every day. This small shift changes your identity, and people naturally act in ways that match who they believe they are. That's how habits become automatic. Remember, the goal isn't to become obsessed with books. The goal is to become the kind of person who keeps promises to themselves. Every study session is a vote for the person you're becoming. 1 hour won't change your life, but 1 hour, repeated every day, absolutely will. Close this video, put your phone away, and study for just 5 minutes. Your future self is built by what you do next.